Law firm overhead is rising. Clients want faster turnarounds, but hiring full-time staff is expensive and slow. What if your firm could scale operations without adding permanent payroll? I'm Dave, COO of Legal Staffing Pros, and today I'm showing you exactly how top-performing law firms are scaling smarter with legal staffing. Whether you run a solo practice, boutique litigation shop, or mid-sized firm, this approach can help you take on more work, reduce your risk, and keep your bottom line strong. Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know how to turn staffing into a growth strategy, not just a quick fix. Let's start with the obvious. Full-time legal hiring is expensive and it's slow. For every associate or paralegal you hire full-time, you're looking at recruitment time, which is 30 to 60 days, salary commitments, anywhere from $70,000 to $200,000 and beyond. You're looking at benefits, insurance, and onboarding. And then on top of that, you have training, retention, and turnover risk to worry about. Now add downtime between cases, seasonal slowdowns, and changing client demands, and you see the problem. Law firms don't have predictable demand. Why would you build a team as if they do? Traditional hiring locks you into costs, even where your caseload doesn't justify it. Legal staffing agencies solve that. But first, let's clarify what we're talking about. Legal staffing isn't just about sending temps to sit at your front desk. At Legal Staffing Pros, we connect law firms with vetted on-demand legal professionals, such as contract attorneys for research, drafting, and discovery, paralegals for litigation prep, client intake, and document review, virtual legal assistants for calendar management and billing, and bilingual or jurisdiction-specific professionals for niche matters. And we don't just send resumes, we screen, vet, and match you with people who are licensed, qualified, and experienced in your exact area of law. Need someone tomorrow for a 2-week case? Covered. Need someone long-term, but only 10 hours a week? Done. Need coverage during maternity leave or trial season? Easy. Let's walk through some real-world use cases. Case number 1, overflow trial support. A boutique litigation firm landed 2 trials back to back. Their team was overwhelmed. We added a litigation support paralegal and a contract attorney for 6 weeks. The result? On-time filings, smooth communication, and 0 overtime for existing staff. As for case number 2, a personal injury firm wanted to test employment law without hiring full-time. We staffed a part-time employment law attorney for 15 hours a week. After 90 days of steady cases, they made it a permanent division. Case number 3, an immigration firm received a high-volume discovery request with Spanish documents. We paced 2 bilingual JDs with relevant experience who had worked on asylum and removal defense. The work was done within the deadline and with no language barriers. Case number 4. One of our clients, a mid-sized firm, needed 3 months of coverage during a senior paralegal's leave. We filled the gap with 0 ramp-up delay and no disruption to ongoing matters. The 5th case, a solo attorney just launching her practice used us to build back her office. 1 virtual assistant, 1 contract attorney, and 1 part-time paralegal. She built a team of 3 with no payroll commitments and scaled to 20 plus clients in her first quarter. Here's why firms like this are leaning into staffing models. Number 1, cost efficiency. You pay only for what you need, by the hour or per project. No benefits, no idle payroll. 2, speed. Need help this week? Most placements are filled within 24 to 72 hours. 3, flexibility. Scale up for trial, scale down after. Add part-time roles, test new service lines, all without risk. Number 4, specialized expertise. Need an attorney with a recent experience or a bilingual paralegal? We've already pre-vetted them. Number 5, risk mitigation. These professionals are 1099 contractors, no W-2 obligations, no legal liability around layoffs or benefits. Number 6, remote first options. Remote legal staffing lets you find the best person for the job, not just the closest. This is lean staffing, strategic staffing, and it's how modern firms are staying competitive. Now, let's clear up a few myths. One myth is that staffing is only for large firms. That's wrong. Solo and small firms benefit the most from staffing flexibility. Another myth is staffing means less qualified people. Absolutely not. Our professionals include Ivy League grads, former big law associates, and bar certified attorneys in all 50 states. Another myth, it's just temporary help. No, many of our placements stay on long-term or become full-time if the firm chooses. Staffing isn't a patch, it's a performance tool. So ask yourself, is my team falling behind on deadlines? Am I turning away work I could handle with more support? Are we burning money on underused full-time hires? Do I want to grow but can't commit to more salary? If you answered yes to any of these, you're a perfect candidate for legal staffing. Even adding 10 to 15 hours a week of contract help can transform how your law firm runs. In today's legal world, the most successful firms aren't the biggest, they're the smartest. They're the ones that move fast, stay lean, and adapt to demand. That's what legal staffing makes possible. You don't need to stretch your team, burn out your associates, or take on financial risk to grow. You just need the right support on demand. If you're ready to explore your options, schedule a free strategy call with Legal Staffing Pros today. Click the link in the description or visit our site, legalstaffingpros.com. Let's help you grow your law firm without growing your overhead.